If you've been intrigued by what you've been seeing on this channel and are considering moving to Saipan, if you'd like a sunnier, simpler, slower lifestyle while still being part of the US, then start with the Saipan Living Relocation Guide, an A to Z reference of everything you'll need to adjust to life here on Saipan, Tinian, or Rota. Order here on YouTube, on Amazon, or at saipanliving.com. Then consider a phone or Zoom consultation where you can ask any question at all to plan your move to Saipan. Then when you're ready to take the leap, you can sign up for a reconnaissance tour before you move, or a relocation tour. Visit different neighborhoods, see what life is like, get your paperwork in order, your PO box, your ID, so you can hit the ground running. As a bonus, if you sign up for any tour or consultation, you'll get a copy of the Fast Track Kit that has all the forms and documents and applications you need to start your residency. My name is Walt Goodridge. Let's make your move to Saipan simple, fast, and stress-free. Let's get started. Again, my name is Walt Goodridge. I'm here on the island of Saipan to answer any questions that you might have about life and freedom here in the Pacific. So just a few things. Make sure you do participate. This thing works better if you ask questions. As the group grows, I might miss some of the questions that are asked in the chat. So if I do, feel free to ask it again. And you might even consider supporting the question with a super chat. NDD Dog asked about getting a PO box. Hello, Walt. If you have to wait for a PO box, can you still get banking accounts? Yes, you can get a banking account. Utilities. Yes, you can get utilities. The only thing you wouldn't be able to get right away would be Amazon shipments. So a little bit of context here on Saipan. There is no, or here in the CNMI, the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands, there is no mail delivery, no at-home mail delivery. So unlike in the States where a mail carrier might come and deliver a package to your house, here on Saipan that does not exist. So anyone who's expecting a package has to go to the post office, one of 4 different locations we have on island, and get your packages there and your mail there. And the PO boxes are free as long as they're available. There is a waiting list that one can join to be on the mailing list to get a PO box. And most of these services that you will sign up for on Saipan don't actually require the PO box. They just need an idea of where you live physically. So for example, if you're getting Wi-Fi service, then you don't need a PO box for that necessarily. You just need to indicate to the carrier where your home is located. And one of the unique things about life on Saipan is when you're signing up for a utility account, for example, the application form will have a little box where you have to draw a map of where you live so that they'll know exactly where your home is, since there are very few home numbers on the buildings and on the edifices here on Saipan. But in terms of getting an account, no, you don't need the PO box unless you're interested in getting your statements mailed to you. And if you're getting utilities, you won't need the PO box, but getting shipments from off island, whether it's from eBay or Amazon, then yes, you would need a PO box. So your options might include: 1, if you have a friend who can let you use their PO box address until you get yours. Or you can sign up for one of the independent commercial mailbox companies here, similar to a mailboxes, etc., that you would see stateside. And we do have some of those here, independent vendors who provide PO boxes. So I think it's about $10 a month, I think, for that service. So yes, you will still be able to move forward even if you don't have a PO box and you're on the mailing list. Looks like Amazon will send to general delivery at the CK post office. Yep, that's the way it goes, Miss Mark. you will, you don't have to specify general delivery. Back in the old days, you might have had to do that, but your PO box will suffice, or you can put if you need to put a street address on an address, you can put 1 Chalancanoa Drive, and then your PO box on the next line.